After I completed my course, it was more about, okay, I have 3 offer letters now, where to go? And that time, I think I scheduled one-on-one session with different mentors, and they guided me throughout it that what is suitable for me, and where my, knowledge, interest, everything falls in picture. Hi, my name is Chaitanya Pathak, and I work as Senior Product Manager for Persistent Systems Pune. I have started my product management journey in 2019, and from that time, I have spent quite a good amount of time in different areas. Started working as a product leader since then, and I have got opportunity to work on IoT products, smart city products, and later I shifted to B2B SaaS enterprise products. I was always passionate about solutionizing something and always good at using technology and quite creative at thinking and defining the things. Many mentors of my life told me that you are very good with customers and interacting with them. So, it was quite a tough decision for me that where to start, what role will suit to me. And I remember starting, as a R&D engineer, and then spending some time into pre-sales and knowing more about that area, that okay, can I solutionize here, and then going into some other role of sales and support. And then over the period, I figured it out that where can I do all this stuff together. Product management is the one where you get an opportunity to understand the customer, gather the requirement, solutionizing towards it, leverage different technologies altogether to give the brilliant product which customer likes, and there will be a good CSAT. So that's why I selected this domain. It was not just about, pursuing the course during COVID times, and I have paid the fees and remember that, how can I travel to Bangalore, because I was staying in Pune. And quickly we got to know that, there is a flex program which has started, and that was completely virtual, and we could utilize that COVID time efficiently. That is one part, that I feel is very, very spontaneous and prompt in solving, requirements from learners. There is no limit for a learner to get, to be part of IPL. Everything falls in picture, and those decisions were very crucial to put me wherever I am right now. And even after that, now I'm connected with IPL and people in the organization to add some value in my current organization as we are growing and creating the new product management journey over there. You have to get the right knowledge at right time and implement it in a right way. And I think that's what made my journey beautiful. I remember having a product owner title, and before that spent some time in business analyst role and sales related activities and some pre-sales related jobs. But I think, when I became a product owner, that was a big question mark, what's next, and I wanted to always go on a product manager path. And there is a big valley between PO and PO. And I think that was the time when I also started doing this course, pursuing this course, and got much more benefit in understanding what is the need of market, where can I put myself better, and how can I create the value. So don't be skeptical about, starting with the junior roles. Just start it, and the path ahead is very, very beautiful.